Have the bar hooked about 8 inches from the ceiling. I used 3 2-inch screws, got into the stud. Looks good. Got plenty of room to put some more winter coats up here in this closet. Final product. Thumbs up. Nice and sturdy. And of course that caused me to reorganize the rest of the closet over here a little bit, so we have more room to put. So second version, screwed it to the wall. I added a piece of the regular pipe. It's a little bit more industrial. Painted it. Put the elbow for the top on for the garage, and nice paper towel holder. Nice and solid. Easy on, easy off. So I got the rack assembled. I put a little tape on here so when this tightens up I have a little room to make sure that this is laying flat and that it's tight here. I put it on there at first, I couldn't get it apart, put a towel around it, and then voila, scratched it up. Not a big deal. Put some paint on top of that, but there's no way to grip this with the tool without scratching it. Even I had rubber on here and it went right through, and I had a piece of towel on here and it went through somehow. I tried some of those rubber jar openers, couldn't budge it either. So just be careful. Mostly when you assemble it's going to line up. Mine had a little play in here, so I had to take it apart again.